Guys, what is happening and welcome back to our brand new video. So today we are doing something fancy to the Range Rover Evoque. If you're watching this and you're looking for advice and guidance, hopefully today will give you everything you need to know. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video and let's go. Right, so we've had a bit of noise slash issues with the brakes, so I said, right, we're going to give it a full brake rehaul, so we're going to have new discs, new calipers. Well, fortunately, because I'm not blessed with the best drive, because my drive's like this, I have to kind of do everything on the road. So yeah, I'm going to make sure I've got just enough distance to get the jack in, but also I can't block next, even though next door hasn't got a car, she moans her bollocks off, so I have to make sure she's got enough space for a little shopping trolley thing. So yeah, he's going to move it out into the road, just make sure we've got enough space, like that, because I really will struggle to get a low jack in. And the only problem is I've got to do this side up against the path, and then this side I've got to sit in the road basically and try not to get run over. So yeah, let's go. First thing what we're going to want to do before we mess about with the brakes is we are going to want to open this little cap here. As you can see, this is the brake fluid reservoir. Open this up and then just make sure it's open, because when we come to pushing the pistons in and out, obviously if the cap's on there's going to be pressure, so at least we can pull the pistons out, put the new pads in, and then we'll get that up. What do you think of the Tash anyway? Doing it for November, so I can't see many people doing it, but yeah, we're getting involved. A few months ago when I was working on the Audi, I jacked the car up and then this happened. So I don't know where the wheel's gone or the bearing, but all I do know is that really ain't no good anymore. So I ordered one of these bad boys. So this is a SGS 2.5 ton low profile jack. So yeah, it's going to be a bit of an improvement from the Alpha one. Yeah, just for anyone that's looking to buy a house or rent it or anything, make sure when you buy a house, make sure the drive isn't crap, and you make sure the garage you can actually get your car in, because like I say, every time I do my jobs I have to drag all the tools down to the bottom of the drive, and then I'm constantly in and out of the garage trying to find bits that I can't find, and then when your wheel breaks off your toolbox and you can't find anything, it's great. So I've just had a quick pull on the wheel, 12 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and it doesn't appear to be moving. Could have thought maybe wheel bearing noise, I'm not too sure. This is a bit scary. Obviously it's a bigger car, obviously we've done S1 and obviously all my other cars, but I need to just think it's exactly the same, just some things are ran differently to the others. So yeah, wheel off that side. I'm going to try and do like one thing this side, one thing that side, one thing this side, and then by the time we come to complete, everything could be done at the same time, if that makes sense. So yeah, Milwaukee gun, I'm going to see if we can break these off. If not, get breaker bar, smash them off, and then go from there. So let's go. Someone please tell me why the wheel nuts come straight loose, and then this one, oh, it did take a bit more of an ugga-dugga than the rest of them. Thought I was going to be in trouble then. I couldn't find a big enough TX. I need to buy a set. I got these little Milwaukee ones in there, but they're for like extensions on a drill bit. But we got this one, so it's a TX50. I'm going to whack it off now, hopefully the gun shocks it off, so let's go. Ready? Oh yes, like butter. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to take the caliper, I'm going to push the pistons back, release the carrier, well, part of the caliper, and then when I got the pistons out, push the pistons back and take the pads out, and then take the carrier off, and then hopefully the disc should fall out. Easy as that, hopefully. So I'm hoping these are not spring loaded. So I'm just going to push the screwdriver in here a bit. And the top ones come out nice, to be fair. Just this bottom one. Yep. And hopefully this will ping off. Not really aggressively though. There we go, easy as that. Right, so as you can see, I've got an Allen key in the carrier here, and there is another one directly underneath. I'm just going to take this one out, and then I'm going to see if I can get a flathead screwdriver behind the piston. Well, not behind the piston, I'm going to make sure it's on the pad. So obviously we're replacing the disc and the pad, so it doesn't matter what damage we do to the disc and pad because we're getting new stuff anyway. So yeah, I'm going to undo this one, undo the next one, take the carrier out because I'm going to clean it and grease it up anyway. And yeah, let's get her out. Just make sure you use a better screwdriver than mine. I've unfortunately snapped that, but if I go like that, it can push the piston. I don't know, hopefully you can see that there, but it's definitely pushing the piston back. Here we go, see? Right, so that's them. They do look really shiny. Do you think they're alright? What we're saying? Right, so if we get stuck, we persevere and we keep going. So what I did was, I managed to find a breaker bar with an 18mm, and I managed to like angle the the breaker bars literally, like, I don't know how angled you can see, but literally it's bent towards me rather than straight, and I've literally just give it a couple of taps from underneath, and I've managed to loosen it now. So hopefully when I get the gun on it, we're coming straight off, ladies and gentlemen. So let's get her off. Right, 18. Yes, easy peasy. There we go, beautiful. Now the disc should fall off like so. Right then, so here's the new disc. Just checking it out just to make sure it looks exactly the same. Size wise it's bang on, to be fair. Flat both sides, sweet. So yeah, let's stick this on there, but before we do that, just give it a little clean up, get some wire brush around there, bit of copper grease, so that obviously the next person that ever does the disc will be able to get it off nice and easy. So yeah, let's go. Yes, look at that, it's on. Obviously there is a bit of residue and that on there. I'm going to get some brake cleaner on that just to make sure it's got a nice clean surface to bond with. So we're just sticking the carrier on now. With this we've got the 18mm, just lined it up by hand, just doing a little bit at a time, and then jump onto the bottom one, which is down there, and then doing that one up, and then secure that in place, put that over, pads in place, let's go. Well then, as you can see folks, discs and pads have been done. So I've done the front ones. The only thing, if anyone can help me out, yeah, the rears, apparently the rears are controlled by the ECU, so the automatic handbrake comes on. Can anyone explain how this can be done without buying a big auto computer or anything? Because I've got the rears in the car ready to go. I don't know how I'm supposed to do it. I heard someone say jack the car up, put the car in neutral, take the handbrake off, but then leave the car running. Is this even a thing? I don't know. But I said to the missus, we'll do the fronts today, change them over. Obviously still got to do the rear, so if anyone knows about that, please let me know, because it would massively appreciate me. If not, I just have to buy an auto computer. It is what it is, reinvesting in me, so and the YouTube channel. I'm sorry I've been away for so long, just head's gone pew, but gonna throw some videos out now. So, and then we got that to finish off, and yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. I've actually enjoyed coming out, to be fair. I've been putting it off for so long, but we're back.